Folks, Arizona Restaurant Consulting here at the Springs. We are pumping concrete into the facility, repouring the foundation, repouring the slab. Concrete trucks backing up to the pump. Gonna dump it in there, goes through that fancy hose, and we'll check it out inside here in a minute. Here we are inside. Got everything blocked off for each section of the slab. You can see where they've got the plumbing put back in, matching up to the existing slab here. We've got an insulated slab on this side for the freezer. Can't see it very well. Let's see here. Flash is working. There we go. They've got an initial pour here under, and then they'll insulate the top of it, and they're going to pour over the top of it again. There'll be two separate pours. Now you can see the concrete coming through the pump. One gentleman pours it out, the other one smooths it, and then once it's in, they go through with their little scraper thingies. What did you do? See the hose? Here's the truck, the concrete going right into the pump.